We're a brood and move turkey operations. We grow 8 flocks of turkeys a year. We brood in a barn and then move into grow out barns. The Poultry Hawk turkey trolley has really been a big work saver for us. We had spent a lot of time looking for different options using buckets, wheelbarrows, even power carts. The trolley system really saves a lot of work by taking the hassle out of moving birds to the door, then moving them outside the door, then picking them up. With the trolley, we can roll it through the house, walk through at a leisurely pace, put the mortality in the trolley, and then move it right outside the barn, all in one smooth operation. So it's really a work saver. After trying numerous things such as buckets, wheelbarrows, power carts, the Poultry Hawk was a really neat option. It overcame a lot of the issues with birds being in your way. By it hanging on a track, it just rolls through the house and you can walk behind in a clear path. You can let it operate with the remote control, so if you want to walk ahead of it or behind it, the control is hanging around your neck. It just really takes the hassle out of moving through the house. I really like the design of the Poultry Hawk. I like the steel track. It can be placed almost anywhere in the house out of the way of equipment. We load our spreaders in the house, so we were able to put the track near one wall to keep it out of the way. And the modular design, it'll fit most any application. Even you can change the height that the track mounts if you want to. So it's a very adaptable system. The Poultry Hawk is a work saver because you do not have to handle the mortality more than once. Once you put it in the Poultry Hawk, you can roll it outside the barn, dump it, and you don't have to touch anything again. You can dump into a loader bucket or onto a concrete pad. So the advantage of not having to handle the birds more than once is huge. We raise 8 flocks of turkeys a year. We start 35,000 turkeys in a brooder barn and move them into grow out barns. In the grow out barns, the Poultry Hawk has been a real work saver for moving mortality. If you need to do a repair on a fan, you can put the motor and your tools in the Poultry Hawk and roll it to where you're going to work. It's a neat little platform to work off of. If you've ever done a repair in turkeys, they're very curious and they'll come around and knock your buckets over or scatter your tools. With the Poultry Hawk, you have a nice platform to work from. The question comes up sometimes, is it worth the investment? If you still like carrying buckets, if you like pushing wheelbarrows, if you still mow your yard with a push mower, maybe you're not interested. But if you're looking for a labor-saving device that makes chores almost enjoyable, this system really works well.